Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Afiz, and in this video I'm going to be taking you with me to fill up my ATM machine. The machine is kind of running low on cash, and I promised you in my last video where I showed you step by step how you can get started. I promised to show you how to fill up the ATM machine, so that's what we are doing in this video. And before I do that, I just reached 500 subscribers and I want to thank you guys for your love and your support. And if you're still watching this video and you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel because it's going to help the channel grow. Without wasting any time, let's get right into the video. In my last video, there was a question in the comment sections which I'm going to answer at the end of this video, so please stick to the end so you can learn as well. The first thing I'm going to be doing is to go to the bank to take out some money, and from there I'll go to the ATM and fill up the machine. So right now, let's go to the bank and get some cash. Now, when going to the bank, you want to make sure you are extremely careful because you don't want to walk out of the bank with a lot of cash in your hands. You can get like a money bag or a little pouch that you can put the money in when you withdraw the money, so that way you can easily transport the money from the bank to your ATM machine without, because if you walk out of the bank you might be followed. Damn! And someone might attack you.
Oh hell no!
And if you want to play extremely careful, you can buy like a pepper spray or any weapon that could save you, maybe a bat or anything. As for me, I believe in the power of knocking someone out. See the muscle? So so I'm just playing, but yeah, you want to be extremely careful. You want to transport the money safe. So that's one thing. So let's just go to the bank now. Now that I've taken out the money, the next step is to go fill up my ATM. So let's go to my ATM right now. I just go to the place where my machine is located, and as you can see, it's inside a barber shop. The first thing I'm going to do is to open the vault with the key, and as you can see, there is another passcode you have to enter before you open the vault. And when the vault is open, you want to take out the cassette. It's called cassette, where you store the money, and you want to take it to a place, because if the place is not busy, you can if you're comfortable, you can do it at that spot. But if there's one or two people there, you want to take it to like a safe place. Maybe take it to your car, because there will be people looking at you counting money and you don't want that kind of thing. So what I did is that this place is a little bit busy today, and I went to like a staircase to the basement, and I opened the cassette, and as you can see, there is a little bit of cash remaining in the cassette, which it's actually low. It's just $400 left, and I'm going to add $1,000 to it right now. So after that, you're going to close the cassette and put it back in the machine and close your vault. After that, you want to tell your system, your machine, that you just loaded the ATM. So you want to click enter, clear, cancel 1 2 3, then your passcode. It's gonna take you to the back end office of the machine. Then you want to set up the machine to let it know that you have put extra $1,000 in. So right now I'm going to input the additional amount of money. You have to count your bill so you know how much you're going to input at your machine, to let it know that okay, I've put this amount of money in. As you can see here, there was $400 there before, and now I'm adding additional $1,000, which comes out to the total of $1,400. And you just want to click enter and exit to the main office and exit to the main screen, so that the machine will be available for people to use. Now, those are the 2 steps it takes to fill up an ATM machine. And in my last video, like I said earlier, there was a question that asked that where do you get the money from? The money you put in the machine is actually going to be your money. So after you buy the machine, you're still going to make sure that you have additional extra money. It could be any amount of money. Like my machine can hold up to like $20,000. but I put in like $2,000, right? So if you don't have up to $2,000 or you don't have up to $20,000, you can literally put in like $500. But the problem with that is you're going to be going back to the machine to fill it up every other day or every week, right? So you want to make sure you put in as much money as possible to avoid you going back to fill up the machine like almost every other day.
I just wanted to say thanks.
Right? So the money you're going to be putting in the machine is going to be your money. So take for example, if you have a savings account and your money just sit down in the savings account, it's not making you money, right? But if you buy a machine and you put the money that's supposed to be in your savings account in the machine will be generating you extra money. So for example, if someone takes out like $200, the amount of money that will go to your account is $203, or depending on what your surcharge is, right?
It's only a game. Why you have to be mad?
After buying the machine for like $3,000-$4,000 Canadian, you can put in any amount of money in. So like depending on how heavy your pocket is, your initial investment could be like $4,500 or even $5,000 or even $6,000, depending on how much money you put in the machine after you buy the machine, right? So that's going to be the end of the video for today. If you're still here watching, thank you so much for your love and your support. If you're not subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe because it's going to help the channel grow. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.